Do you use thyme for cooking? It sure makes a plain dish something special. What is your favorite recipe with thyme? A little history. Did you know that the Egyptians used thyme for embalming? And the ancient Greeks used it to fight against infection illnesses. Not a pleasant thought after thinking about good food. Okay, and this is what thyme looks like in the bottle. In today's world, it is used for asthma, bacterial infections, blood clots, an aging brain, bronchitis, circulation, croup, dermatitis or eczema, depression, physical weakness after an illness, fatigue, fungal infections, hair loss or fragile hair, mold, MRSA, parasites, pleurisy, pneumonia, tuberculosis, urinary infection, virus along the spine, wounds, and more. This oil can be used tropically or aromatically. For internal use, take it in a capsule or place 1 to 2 drops under the tongue. Don't forget to add it to your favorite recipe. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day and take care.